Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, I'm Roslyn Magno. I'm 34 years old. I'm single. I'm Isabela, Philippines. I have 4 siblings and I'm youngest children of my family and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I'm working for Isabela, Philippines. I have two adults and 2 children. The children is age of 5 years old and 2 years old.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities?
I'm duty for responsibilities. I'm cooking, laundry, ironing, and the care of the babies.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm check the temperature and I'm called the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm
Are you responsible
yes sir, responsible and honest,
and hardworking also?
and I'm hardworking.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No sir,
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
no sir,
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
no sir,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I'm help my family for financial, and I give my mother of in he need.
Okay. Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'm calm and I'm singing.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I'm wake up in the morning of 5 and in the evening is 10 p.m.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm cloud nine. I'm clown.
What do you do if kids are super active and they tend to be out of control? How would you control your temper?
I'm take a medicine
You will be more patient and
and clown my
calm.
yes,
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes sir. But if I need to extend,
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
no sir. But I will try.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes sir.
Sing it.
Like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me. I do my best for my domestic helper.
Okay.